Before removing the fuel tank and the filters, you want to pour all the gas out of the gas tank into a gas can with a tight fitting lid. Let's undo the T27 screws holding the gas tank to the backpack. And slide it out. Disconnect the fuel lines. Then you want to see, you notice how this one's bigger and this one's smaller? That plays into their plan. So to remove a good way to remove the, if you need to replace a filter, just pull this out, disconnect this, drop it back in there. Then you want to go in and shake it down to one end, reach in and grab the filter. Just pull everything out. This is the new kind that has two filters. So if you tilt the backpack, you get gas no matter what. So place your filters or whatever you have to do. That's my next door neighbor's lawn service. Then put it back in when you're done. Then go around and you want to look for the biggest of the hoses. Don't poke a hole in the hose pulling it out. There it is. So just pull that back out. Then you want to take this, and this is what I was telling you about. See, it's got one nipple that's bigger than the other and one that's smaller. And then see the top one, the smaller one, it just goes to an opening. So this is actually what it is. It's the return. That's why it's smaller, because you're going to burn gas. So the return isn't going to be that much. And then this one is what pumps the gas, and it comes out of this one right here. So just reattach this. And then plug it back in. Oh, pushed the seal almost into the gas tank. Now I pushed the seal into the gas tank. And that was really grubby too. Well, that's why there's filters. All it is an oil seal. Looks like. Push the seal back into place. Okay, push this back in. Pull this up. Put this back on. You may have to turn this. You don't want tension on this one. This part, you don't want to feel it flipping around when you try to turn this around to get this notch lined up. Oh, there it goes. So if you notice on these fuel lines, one's bigger than the other. So that means that the small one goes on the small port, and the big one goes on the big port. So this one just dumps it back into the tank, and this is the gas going in. What it does, it draws it up and through the carburetor.